Hi, Andy. You're such a sweet, smart, and loving girl. And those are the things that I want you to carry with you as you grow older. My birthday wish for you is that you turn out to be just like your mom, if not better than her. Happy 7th birthday, Amanda.
Happy birthday!
Or should I say Amanda? I'm your Tita Che. I hope you still remember me. And most importantly, I hope that you will always remember to be respectful, to be grateful, and to be caring. And always, never forget the values that your mom has taught you. You were raised by a strong, loving mom who did everything she can for you. And for the meantime, I just want to wish you a very happy 7th birthday. And I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday also from Sleeping Rohan. Bye.
Hello, our dear Amanda. Happy birthday to you from Lolo Tito Jerry and me, your Lola Tita Ebo. Our birthday wishes for you are that you stay as sweet as you are, that you keep up your very good performance in school, that you will always be a good girl, and that you will remain always close to God. May you continue, Amanda, to carry these beautiful traits with you as you journey through life, even when you get to be 17, 27, 37, 47, 57 years old, so on and so forth. Happy birthday to you, our dear Amanda. We love you. Tight hugs and kisses to you from your Lolo Tito Jerry and me, your Lola Tita Ebo. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Birthday, Andy! Wow, ang taray naman ng parang showbiz si Mami yan. Anyway, Akil, anong wish mo?
Take care, be good always, and be a good girl, and follow to your to mommy.
Yes. And for me, my wish for Andy is stay pretty and be a good girl. And of course, good health. That's it.
Ako, wish ko, sana magkaroon ka na ng baby sister or baby brother. Ayos ba, pare? Happy birthday ulit and always be a good girl and advance Merry Christmas. Maybe I'll see you next. We will see you next year. Drew, anong what's your what? Drew, say happy
What is
birthday.
your
Come. Walang cut. Come.
Come on, Jude. No, she's playing. But anyway, that's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Say bye, Jude.
Bye.
Bye.
Say happy birthday, Drew. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.